Hello, University of Idaho recruitment team. My name is Jessie. If you are watching this, you are preparing for an important trip to Russia to recruit potential students to the University of Idaho. Here I will discuss important characteristics of the Russian culture that will help you with first impressions, greetings, proper dress, dining etiquette, and most importantly, business etiquette. The first impression means everything, which involves dressing the part. Russia is a fairly conservative country, and Russians pay close attention to clothing and presentation, so make sure you are well dressed. Casual wear consists of jeans paired with a neutral cool tone top. During the winter months, if you choose to wear bright colors, you will stand out. In terms of business wear, men should wear a tailored suit, tie, and highly polished dress shoes, while women should wear a conservative skirt, subtle blouse, stockings, and heels. Now that you look the part, let's discuss how to make a good first impression. Like any business setting, punctuality is crucial. As a foreigner, you are expected to be on time to all business appointments, but your Russian counterpart may be late. This is to test your patience. Do not expect an apology and do not demonstrate any kind of attitude. Russia can get busy, so leave early and have a map handy. When you get to the meeting, remove gloves if you are wearing any, and shake hands and nod your head with your counterpart. Also, remember to remain an arm's length away and introduce yourself with your full name. If this is your second meeting, you may expect more physical contact, such as kissing on the cheek. Since you are going to a different country, you should know the Russian communication style. Russian is the official language, however many speak English. Russians are highly literate, soft-spoken, and may be on the more reserved side. So to break the ice and start a conversation, you may want to talk about peace, economic situations, and current changes in Russia. Your stay will consist of more than business meetings, so let's get you familiar with the dining etiquette. Again, punctuality is everything, so arrive on time and make sure you bring a gift. If you are dining at a family residence, remove your shoes and jacket before entering. You will be dining in a European fashion, so the knife goes in the right hand, fork in the left, and wrists remain on the table. Proper phone, email, and business letter etiquette will set the tone for the meeting. When writing a letter or email, address Russian nationals by their first name. Use господин, which means Mr., and госпожа, meaning Miss or Mrs. Another thing to keep in mind is the proper use of you. Lowercase u is used when addressing more than one person, and capital U is used when addressing one individual. Finally, end your letter or email off with a courteous closing. You can use so vashinium, which means best regard, or iskrin vash, which means sincerely yours. Now let's get you prepared for tomorrow's meeting. Make sure you will have arranged the meeting in advance and confirm the meeting. Arrive on time and dress in your business attire. Prepare business cards and documents in both English and Russian. Also, bring a list of any sort of degrees that you obtain. As the meetings come to a close, there will be a summary. This summary will discuss everything that you have covered during the meeting. Finally, stand up from your chair, shake hands. Do not wait to shake hands by the doorway, as it is bad luck. To follow up, you can reach the potential students by email, telephone, and even a University of Idaho recruitment letter. Now you are prepared to travel to Russia to recruit potential students. And remember to dress appropriately, first impressions, and never be late.